Welcome to Nimo Academy, where we make tech easier to understand and help you choose what actually works for you. This is our very first episode, and we're starting with a question a lot of laptop owners face. If your laptop still feels fast everywhere except games, don't replace it yet. This is an eGPU. It lets a compatible laptop borrow desktop-class graphics when you're at your desk. Instead of moving everything to a new PC, you connect one high-speed cable and let the external GPU handle the heavy graphics work. Inside the GME1s is an AMD RDNA RX 7600 MXT with 8 GB of graphics memory. Translation: real gaming and creator horsepower, not just a bigger dock. But specs are the easy part. The real question is, does it actually make a noticeable difference? Michael tested the same Nimo laptop both ways. Across his 5-game comparison, he saw roughly 2 to 5 times the gaming performance with the GME1s, depending on the title. That can mean the difference between turning settings down just to play and actually enjoying the game on a larger display. And this isn't only about gaming. GPU-accelerated editing, 3D work, and some local AI tasks may benefit too, as long as the software supports the hardware. Here's the part you need to check before buying. A USB-C-shaped port is not enough. Your exact laptop has to support the right high-speed connection and eGPU setup. If your laptop is compatible, this is the payoff. Keep the computer you already like. Then add the graphics power at your desk. That's it for the very first episode of Nimo Academy. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on the socials linked in the description, and tell us what you want us to break down next. Choose smarter and get more from your tech.